Hello, trading is closed on the 7th of January 2014. I'm Jeffrey Tennant and I'd like to discuss today's stock market. Yesterday I felt we had a mejt target of 1824.72 minus. I was pretty confident that would print. And we had a target of 1833.63 plus. I wasn't so certain about that one. So what happened? Well, in the futures market, the prediction worked like a charm. Today's high was 1840.10 cash. This was 15.5 points higher than the overnight futures low. If you subtract 15.5, you get 1824.60, and that was the target. So we got that in the futures market, and then we got the higher target and some more. But one of the mejt rules is that futures action doesn't count. This price needs to print in regular trading hours. So far that hasn't happened. So we have a failed target. It should print at some time. System doesn't say when. The system did mark a few of today's excursions as false moves destined to retrace, which they did. And there's no mejt target for tomorrow. That means we have to use other forms of technical analysis. Right now, if you start from the all-time high into the low, we have your standard 61.8% retracement. This is a common resistance area. Doesn't have to hold, but often it does. It's not really strong to gap up all day and trade under a certain level, which we did. In fact, we traded under a number. We closed under a number of significant levels. If we're going to continue the rally, I think we need to gap up over today's high. I think if that does not happen, that lower prices will print it sometime tomorrow. That's not based on the system. The system has no call for tomorrow. Let's see if this resistance holds or if we break through it. And that's today's call.